In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Query in Excel to import and refresh data from external databases. This feature is a legacy tool in Excel designed to establish a connection with various external data sources, such as SQL Server or Access, using ODBC. For anyone dealing with recurring data tasks, this can be particularly useful as it allows you to create queries and retrieve selected columns directly into Excel, with the option to refresh the data whenever needed. Before we proceed, let's talk about enabling Microsoft Query, as it has been deprecated in more recent versions of Excel. This means that Microsoft Query may not be enabled by default, and you might need to manually activate it to access the full functionality. To get started, open Excel and navigate to File in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Options, which will open a new window. Here, select the Data tab from the list on the left side. In the Data options, scroll down to the section where you see Show Legacy Data Import Wizards. Within this section, you'll notice an option labeled From Microsoft Query. Make sure to check this box. This step is crucial as it allows Microsoft Query to appear as a choice in the main Excel interface. Once you've done this, click OK to save these settings and return to your Excel workbook. With Microsoft Query now enabled, you can find it by going to the top menu bar, selecting Data, then Get Data, followed by Legacy Wizards. Under this drop-down, you will see the option From Microsoft Query. This is where the magic begins. By selecting this option, Excel will launch the Query by Example interface, granting you the ability to craft your query through a wizard-style setup. You can use this interface to select specific tables or fields that you want to import into Excel. As you embark on using Microsoft Query, remember that it's a powerful legacy tool primarily intended for users familiar with database queries and data connections. While it might require a bit of setup at the start, the ability to automate data imports from various databases can significantly streamline your workflow and boost productivity. By using Microsoft Query, you're empowering Excel to become more than just a spreadsheet tool. It transforms into a dynamic interface where live data from external sources is part of your daily analysis. And that's it. Once you have set up your initial query, refreshing the data to include the latest updates from your source database is as simple as clicking a button. I hope this overview was helpful and gives you the confidence to start incorporating Microsoft Query into your data management practices. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave your inquiries in the comments section below. Happy querying!